Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to beautiful sunny Spain, Salou. We're now just walking for a little day trip. We're going to see if we can get the bus to Tarragona. Got the drone, got the fanny pack, we're good to go. So let's head over to the information centre because apparently the train station in Salou is now closed because they've built a brand new line that bypasses Salou. So we're just going to pop over to the tourist information now, which is very close to our hotel. It's actually just here, and we're going to see the transport links, probably just get a bus from Salou up to Tarragona, have a little look around there. Your map acquired, tourist information, visit places are so helpful. She's literally just told us exactly where to get the bus from which stop. So we're walking down there now. Okay, we found the bus stop here. We're heading to Tarragona. There should be a bus due any minute. So we're just waiting here for it now. Like 5-minute walk from our hotel. Pretty sweet really. And it is warm today. Okay, we made it on the bus to Tarragona. $2.95 each. Peanuts. We're heading off now.
I'm shaking, I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight, 'cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life.
Okay, we've arrived in Tarragona. We're just going to look for some food quick and then have a little look around. Try to find somewhere to go eat, get some lunch, then explore Tarragona. We've just stopped in this McDonald's here in Tarragona. We've got a Kit Kat caramel McFlurry just to cool down because it is warm. Pam's got some cheesy bacon fries and a white chocolate sundae. It is very warm though, so we're just taking our time with an ice cream and going to explore. Pretty sweet so far, I'm enjoying it. This seriously might be one of the nicest McDonald's seating areas I've ever been in. Check it out. And the toilets upstairs are so high tech, you need a key code to get in. So if you're ever in Tarragona McDonald's near the banks, 111111 hash toilet. Right, we've arrived to the top of this street. Now we're going down here somewhere to find a Roman ruin. So we'll go on down, check that out. Keep you updated with any cool scenery on the way. Look at this sea. Ooh.
We can go this way.
Yes. So we've just found where the amphitheatre is, right down here. So we're going to see if we can go down and see it. Look at this wall with different breasts on it. What is that all about? Okay, we've arrived at the amphitheatre now. What I think I might do is switch from the iPhone to the GoPro, which is in the fanny pack, just so I can obviously like navigate around on the phone, but whoa, check this out.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you, I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing, best thing that.
Stop for a little coffee here. Little cafe con leche and a coke. And we're just walking back to the bus station now because we have massages booked at the hotel, so we need to get back to those pretty soon. Okay, I've switched to the GoPro now because the battery on the iPhone is so low and I didn't bring my charger. So we're just on the bus back to Salou. We've got our massages in an hour, and then obviously we're just in the hotel, chilling. Mary's had a dip in the pool before the massage.
On the roof.
On the rooftop pool. I'll show you that when we get there. Now back to some cool little shots. So we're off the bus. It was €2.95 each, which is pretty cheap for the distance we travel. Gonna head back to the hotel this way. Look at this though. Back at the hotel, H10 vintage. Get changed, and where that person is up there is where we're going for the rooftop pool. Whew, it's gonna feel so refreshing jumping in that. Let's get up there. We have a massage group for 6:15. Do we just go to the roof?
Yes,
Yeah.
they're already there.
And we can wait there, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. Bye. Tap me back on the screen, you need to see.
Room's being tidied.
Upstairs looks busy. Let's get changed and get on the roof. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but behind me there is Portaventura, the Ferrari land ride. So we're that close to Portaventura in this hotel. Our hotel room is just down here, next to where that guy's laid down. We are the next room across. Just having a beer on the roof. But I wanted to show you this. So when we were in Ale Hop, we got these little things, and what it is, you pump it up, it builds the pressure up inside. It's a nice little freshen spritz. Pretty cool. But now it's time to go in the pool. Let's do it. Let's go. Oh, that's that. It is cold as balls, but what a view. Look at this. That is refreshing, man. Oh, that is so nice. But now, just time to chill. I've just finished the first ever massage I've had. Oh my word. That guy's fingers were like pneumatic drills. Whew. Felt good though. Oh. So, tequila, lemon, done. Let's go. That's a white Mexican. Muchas gracias. First time I've ever eaten a dick on the street of Barcelona.